Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to shore up a raised bed. Now, a raised bed is just soil on top of soil on top of soil, so it's raised above the ground so that whatever you grow into that area is going to grow very well because it's got good drainage. And you can use good composted material or pretty much any type of potting soil and it'll grow really well. So if you're just using wood or rocks, a lot of times they'll start kind of falling apart because they're not really shored up. So there's a lot of easy tricks that you can use to shore them up. So you can actually use some corner pieces of metal and just screw those in so that the two pieces of wood are connected, or you can drill holes and use a screw and just screw them together, or you could just nail them together too. There's many different ways you can shore it up. You can use just rocks. You can just put rocks all the way around it, and then that way the dirt won't fall over. But I have found it doesn't really matter what you use, a raised bed will survive and it'll do really well whether you shore it up or not. And you can always add more wood or replace the wood, and be careful never to use the weather-treated wood if you're growing vegetables because there's lots of chemicals into that wood that can seep into your garden area. If you're growing flowers, it's not quite the case. But there's so many different materials that you can use in a raised bed, and you really don't need to shore up a raised bed at all because the dirt will stay raised and everything will grow really beautiful in it.